I am Ignacio. This is the 101 freeway. The exit is gonna be Lake Cachuma, exit to Highway 154. We're gonna stay on Highway 154 for about 10 miles. It's actually a very beautiful drive. I made a video about it and you can find it on my other YouTube channel, On My Way to Adventure. I'm gonna leave a link on the description of this video. In about 10 miles, we're gonna turn right onto Paradise Road. There are many places with the same name. This is Red Rock Trail, 40 minutes from Santa Barbara, California. Stay on Paradise Road for about 8 miles. On the summertime, it's gonna be 10 miles because you can reach further away. I'll explain in a moment. When you reach the stop sign, this is the kiosk where you pay. They're charging $10 as of May of 2025. It is very simple. Just pick up an envelope, fill it up with the information of your car, put the money inside, and then you put it on the slot. And don't forget to keep your receipt so you can put it on your windshield. This is the first gate. Sometimes they close this one too. This time it's open. We're gonna drive 2 miles on this road to get to the final destination. This road and the Santa Ynez River converge into each other. That's why we have to cross it many times. The second gate that we're about to reach, it's closed during the winter and springtime because of the water levels may be too high and dangerous. So for everyone's safety, they have to close it. They usually open them by Labor Day. The hike to the Red Rock is actually about 1.2 miles from the trailhead. But because of this gate is closed, we have to add 2 miles to get to it and 2 miles back. So we actually adding 4 miles. So today's hike is about 5.2 miles with about 100 to 200 feet of elevation. Not much elevation. It's practically flat. I highly recommend this hike if you like solitude and want to have the place to yourself. I only found about 6 or 8 more people during the day. If you come here on a weekend, on the summertime, it would be a different story. It will be crowded. I am not an expert, but I think that is a California condor. Let me know in the comments, please. And then we found the first river crossing. You will definitely gonna need water shoes or water sandals. Buy yours on the description of the video. Thank you for your support. I hope that you're enjoying my video so far. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate that little bell. That way you will not miss any of my adventures. Thank you. There are many picnic areas and also endless spots for you to explore. I highly recommend that you explore them and you will find so many beautiful places. After the sandstone they use area, there's gonna be one more river crossing, and then from there we're gonna go to the left. I'll show you in a moment. So up to here are the 2 miles that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. If you keep going straight, it will take you to the Gibraltar Dam, but in this case we're going to the left. Here, this is the parking lot where you would park if the gate is open. You can drive all the way over here, and from here you can only hike about a little bit more than a half a mile to get to the Red Rock. Once again, if the gate is open, this is where you start hiking. From this point to the Red Rock, it's about half a mile or so. It should take you 20 minutes to half an hour to get there. So it's actually not so difficult. And we made it. Please be respectful of nature and others and don't leave any trash behind if you visit. It was time to take a break, chill, take a splash, relax, and then head out. Los Padres National Forest has so many beautiful places like this one. Click on the link to watch videos about it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.